Yo guys, welcome back. Sorry for not putting a video out on Sunday, what I normally do, but I did some work that morning and I got extremely hot, and so I had to take it in for the rest of the night, well, the rest of the day, because I just couldn't put a video out. I felt terrible, and it was due to the heat, which is always, so I just stayed in the house. But I got the element back and I got the e-brake, and I got something else for you guys if you want it. That's only if you want it. So let me show you what I got so far. So I had picked up the e-brake right here. Then let me show you what else I picked up. This is a console out of the element right now, and what I picked up was this tray and this cover that's for the speaker. I'm not sure if I could put this back in there, but when I looked at the other element when I was pulling it out, it looked like it's exactly the same. Even when I cut that, they almost look the same. Only difference is it has these clip-ins here and here. All right, sorry about that, guys. I got interrupted. I don't care where I go, I'm still getting interrupted. I had Wanda the crackhead saying, "I can't get out. Can you come let me out?" I'm in a storage unit, so you have to have a code to get in and out. So I was like, "How did you get in?" "Oh, I followed another car." Well, you don't need to do that. So that's what happens. So anyway, when I was going over, sorry, the fan is a little loud there. Hold on, let me turn it down. This is blazing hot in here. So that's the center console out of the element. So I pulled it all out. I got the correct e-brake. That's the old one. I just want to see the difference. I'm sorry, let me get back down here. That's the new one. That's the old one. I want to see what the difference is. And what I was thinking of doing, okay, so what I was thinking about doing is extending this rod, because when I looked at it this way, in the mounting points from here to here, they're about the same. But this one sits a little further up, like that much. So what I was thinking of doing is getting this thread or bolt and cut it to where I need it, and then I'm gonna use a coupler to attach this. Let me see if I can get it out of here real quick. There we go. Attach this to here, and then this to here, and then take this all apart and move it down here in this area. That's the idea I have. I think it'll work, but I don't know yet. And also I have another center console here. So I picked this one up for 150 bucks, also as much as I paid for that one. I had picked this one up. And I picked up the bracket, and I still got the cover from the old e-brake. I still have that. So this one, I had somebody that wanted it, but they never got back to me. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm probably put it on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. I don't want to put it on eBay because I don't want to ship it, but I will if I have to. But I'm gonna sell all that one, because when I got there, I just wanted the e-brake, and I asked him how much was the e-brake. He told me $30, and then I was like, well, how much for the whole console? Like for all of this here, plus that, which what I had made, this tray goes underneath that and that for 150 bucks. So I was like, yeah, I might as well just take it all. So I just took it all, which I got more than how much, because I paid 150 for my console, and I didn't get that much. so other than that, the next thing I want to do is get the actual, sorry for the lights, it's kind of dark in here. Let's see here, sorry. I'm still not feeling too good. I need to get these tap screws out and put the inserts and put the correct bolts in it so it won't come out. This one I'm gonna leave, but these two, this one and the two up here, I'm gonna have to change those. So let's get started on that real quick because I want to get out of here. Alright, so I did the e-brake bracket here. I did that already. So what I'm gonna do is this hole here for the main bracket. So I just got a step bit here, and I just drill it. See if that's big enough. Nope, need a little bit more. You don't want to make it too big, then it won't fit. I mean, it'll fit, but you won't be able to lock it in. Perfect. So, then I will need a bolt. Where's my bolt? Where did my bolts go? Here we go. That's the right one. And then you take this doohickey here. Wait, pull that out. Pull this back out. And always just screw it on all the way. First, it's like that. Put it down in a hole. Squeeze. Open up. Pull that. Most of the time it'll just pop right out, and there you go, all done. Now we're just gonna do the two here, and let's keep it rolling. All right, so I need to hurry up. My camera is overheating, in which I never seen a thermometer flashing on it before, ever. Even working outside, it's just way too hot in here. So grab this joker here and see how far we have to mount it, get that bracket on there. Alright, so now I can see how far. Alright, so that's a pretty good distance there. How much thread are we gonna need? Alright, so far so good. Camera's still heating up. It won't even autofocus. So I'm just gonna have to leave it like that. I got the fan on. I was hoping that would cool it off some. but that's not working. But anyway, let's go ahead and try to, let me see if I can mar this. How far do I need to go? Because I know I need to put this on there. And then this is gonna be our adjustment. So I'm thinking something around here. If that doesn't work, I could always make it more. Alrighty, got a good spot. Okay. Alrighty, so I think I got everything all set. That fits in there perfectly. So I need to drop that in there. Like so. Put that in there like there. And then we can put this in there like there. And we can tape this. It's gonna be a little hard. Screw it in there. See. And then just keep screwing it until it's tight, because I want it to bottom out in here. Then I can make my adjustments this way. So once it stops there, I think that was it. And then I could go here and make my adjustments. But I also want to put a little more on that bolt. I want to put a little bit more on here so it'll be really, really tight. Okay. Still a little loose. So now I just got to adjust it while I tighten this up. This is gonna be forever and ever. Ever and ever. I want to get it until where it's snug. It's really, really snug. So that's almost there. Still got too much play. Probably made this a little bit too long. I think it'll be okay. Alright, that's perfect, because it's giving resistance right now. I want a little bit more. You got to be careful, because sometimes you can adjust this and actually lock the back brakes up. So if while you're screwing this down and you see these start pulling forward, you're going too far. So it's best to look at it while you're doing it, make sure that they're not moving too much, and also this not to have too much play. So right now it's perfect. So I can pull it, and now the car won't move. Let's see. Nothing. Just gonna put a little bit more. And you know what? I don't know where my e-brake light is at. The wire. I don't know what I did with it. It's somewhere around here. I have to look for it. Or did I push it back underneath there? I think I did. I'll have to look for it. But that's it on there. I think I talked to you guys about putting those bolts back here. No, I am not going to do that. I'm just going to rely on these two, and that's it. because it's these and it's a bracket here, mounts there, and then it's another bracket that goes here and it mounts about right here in this area. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 points of secure, and then also over here it'll be secured off of there. Alright, so I was able to get the subwoofer in and put the housing on it. Looks awesome. And I have the little tray here also installed. It snaps into right here and here, but that one actually the snap thing broke off, but it's okay. We got the e-brake on, so now it's just to put the center console back in. Yo, welcome back. Next day, because last night was terrible. So the camera shut off. I got little bits and pieces of the end, but it was like in and out, and the camera kept turning on and off. And I never seen, now all the times I've been outside with this camera, this SLR, DSLR, I mean, it's been hot all the time outside. Never had a problem with the camera. Never seen anything weird. But last night it got weird. I think because I was at the storage, and yesterday it got up to 100. I believe maybe just 100. But in that storage, I think it had got to 115, 112 from what the van temperature sensor in there, and also the temperature sensor on the camera, which I never seen. I had to Google it, because the thermometer popped up there and it kept flashing and it stayed on solid. Camera shut off, and it kept shutting off because it was just basically overheating. So I want to give you guys and show you guys the ending results of putting the CS element console and e-brake and an EX. I think it's the EX. What is this? I don't know. 2003 element. I think it's the EX. But it turned out perfect. I mean, absolutely perfect. I'm pretty sure you guys seen the how I installed it and everything, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like when it's done. So let me turn the camera around. All right, so that's with the e-brake all the way up, and let me show you that facial part. So that part is out of a SC, and golly, I don't know why my camera is blurring so much. I was trying to focus, but that's out of the SC, and you see how good it fits there. And this one was out of a 2009 SC element. And I also have the bottom tray in there. It's in there stuck. And I also have my subwoofer in there. Because I looked at the subwoofer in the SC and they look exactly the same. So Honda did not change that, which is good. So, and then here's my e-brake, and you put it down and it works just fine. Even my light comes on. So let me turn the car on real quick. All right, see, we get the lights on. So that's the brake light there. Release the brake and it's off. Pull it, release it back on. So the light is working on it. Now the back of it looks a little strange. You just see it kind of sticks up there, because this console, where the SC that it came out of, it had carpet. So I don't have carpet, so I think that's probably why it looks that way. Now it's in there snug. It's not loose at all. It's very tight and secure. So that is pretty much it.